So I want to show you some free icon packs that you can use for commercial use. So the first one is xicons.co. I love the minimalism of this site, and he's got a few different packs here. They're not too extensive or elaborate. They're really just simple packs with a few different styles, but they are all free. You can download them, as you can see. Just click the download button and it should download into your download box. And I really like this one as well, very simple, minimal, and it's got a few icons you can use multiple times on different occasions, I feel like, and even some nice illustration icons. This one's a cool one too as well, so definitely check it out, xicons.co, and they are all free. You can use it for commercial use. The second one is Streamline. This is the world's largest icon pack apparently. So overall, the website is really nice. They got some nice animations here. I'm just gonna scroll through so you can see some of the icons here. And they are really high quality, really great. And I recommend these guys a lot. And I'm just gonna scroll at the bottom. So you can see here they do have a paid version, and they've got like Essential and Ultimate, which is cool. But if you do want the free icon pack, all you have to do is just sign up to their newsletter. So you can put your name here and your email on the left here, as you can see, and then click yes, and you should get it in your emails, and that is free for commercial use. And they've also got these other bundles as well if you want to invest in some more icons, but you get like 30,000 for free, so that's pretty good. Number 3 is pixelicons.com. This one has a nice extensive line icon set, and the top one is like the color versions and the solid layout. So you get 300 here, really cool. All you have to do is sign up to their newsletter as well, so you can download that. And I feel like this is really decent for it to be free. Next one is iconperk.com. So you can see here they've got a few premium ones, but if you go to the left and click on free here, it's like a little button with the red diamond. You can see they got 2 packs for free. So there's one here, and there's this one here, the Magicons. So you can see here, really awesome, plenty of icons there. You can click download freebie and just sign up with your email and you should be able to download it. So that's another cool pack I feel like is really nice. There's a cool one called simpleicons.org. So this one is all logos or, a main company's or brand's icon. So you can see here they're all SVGs, so they're not PNGs. So they're good for a website or a favicon, something like that. So look, Airbnb, they got YouTube Gaming, YouTube Studio, like all the top like companies, which is awesome. And I can search in the search bar on the left and type in Facebook, and you can see there they got the Facebook logo. And if I click it will automatically download the SVG. So this is mainly for like web designers and stuff, and it will really help you out. Next is iconscout.com, and Iconscout has a really nice website, and you can see here the first one is the line set. I can change the color here. They got this like nice little set. I can view all the icons and I can download those. And I can download the bundle. So if you go to the right hand side, you can see there's a bundle there. Just click download and then just sign up with your email and you can get those. So these are really cool as well. So many different styles, types of icons. As you can see, like a nice metal, and then you can change the color if you want. Maybe you want to go red or yellow, whatever your brand color is, you can put that in on the side. Obviously on my screen you can't really see it, but that's Icon Scout for you, and it's really cool. And the last but not least is Icon Monster, and you spell that with a monster, M-O-N-S-T-R, without the E. And you can see here they've got heaps of icons as well, and you can see that you can get free icons in these collections. So I'm going to click on the collections, and you can see all these different types. So for example, maybe I want go to business, and maybe I want to click on something. Maybe let's go pen. So there's all these like pen icons. I like the feather one, that's pretty cool. And what you can actually do is you can actually click on it, and then I can download the different types of files. So SVG for web, EPS for Illustrator, PSD for Photoshop, and PNG just for any other editing app, which you can see there. And then you just click agree and click download, and it should download the file into your download box, and it's gonna be super awesome. So those are some sites that you can use for free for commercial use. I will do another video showing some other icon sites another time, some of which they're paid and free, but these are some free ones you can use for commercial use. So thanks so much for watching, really appreciate it. Make sure you smash that like button, make sure you leave a comment as well, and subscribe for more design content every week. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.